Traders, here's a new video. This video will be a little bit longer, I think, because it's an important topic. This topic is about where do I have to start? There are so many videos. I see this question always in the Facebook group. There are so many questions. Where do I start? What can I do? What are the important videos? How to start this? Yes, because there are so many videos. There was also a poll where they asked me to numberize all videos, yes, to give them all a number, and but that was not succeeded. It doesn't succeed, this poll, because it's too much work for me to number all my videos, yes, and the benefit of this would be too less, in my opinion. It's much more important that I cover some other stuff, binary option, turbo trading stuff, or Forex stuff, or whatever, yes, digital option stuff, which I have, where I'm going to work on it at the moment. And that is also the reason why I'm doing this kind of video here, because I have to announce here this kind of featured channels. Yes, that here below are the Facebook group stuff. Yes, you see here the Eagle Eye Bernard, yes, and the Wolf Vishnu, and here Harsh B, yes, that are my Facebook group stuff, and all my Facebook group stuff who starts a YouTube channel. I will put them here on the featured channel, yes, because I love my Facebook group stuff. They are doing so great work, and I'm so proud of them, and I will support them, obviously, yes. That is important to me. So, so the first thing what you should do if you are starting and you are a newbie or rookie, yes, you have to subscribe to this channels here, obviously also to my one here. Put on also this kind of notification here, that you get the ring bell when I'm publishing a video. That's important, yes. Don't miss to drop a line, yes, a comment. I'm happy to hear anything from you. Yes, you are my subscribers. You are important to me. So do this. Subscribe, yes, and ring the bell, yes. So okay, and subscribe also to my other the other featured channels here. Oh, but only the featured channel, yes. The other below this featured channel, forget them, yes. Only those one here. Okay, so now we get back to the topic. Where to start? So if you are here on the main page, you see this in chronicle order, but I can only recommend to anybody, and it sounds a little bit ridiculous too, yes, like the search function, but I would recommend to anybody to watch all my videos, yes, from the beginning. And for this reason, I would recommend there are a few types of approach. Yes, the first type would be is the most easiest one, would be you click here on the videos, yes, and then you get here on sort by, yes, and then you say dated, yes, sort by dated oldest. So, and then you see the chronicle order in descending art, yes. Here my first video 6 months ago, yes, and then you can go through them, yes. Obviously there are some videos which are not so important, but I can say from my own experience, because I'm watching my own videos over and over again too, yes, but I can see only you have to start, that's my opinion, from the very beginning, and then you go forward. Yes, that means you get so you get the complete knowledge, because all this kind of stuff was created chronologically. Yes, I have done this all in order. Yes, that means first of all, I can show you this here. First of all, I have done the live trading examples of the candlestick patterns. I have explained here all candlestick patterns in a live trading example. Then I got the requests from my subscribers that I have to do some kind of deep explanation videos about the candlestick, and that was this one where I started to create ebook. Yes, that was the ebook here. Yes, where I started to do the ebook stuff with you together, and after this I focused a little bit on the indicators. Yes, and then all those kinds. Then there came up the chart patterns, and you see the chronicle order. Then I got here some kind of sure shorts, and then I started to recover, because I saw that there was missing some topics and some information regarding some concepts, I started to cover some concepts here, yes. And then I got here in between also some not so important candlestick pattern here, because here you see the cloud cover, yes, and the piercing pattern, and those one were not so important because at the beginning IQ option doesn't offer the gaps, yes, but when the gap came up with the gaps, I covered also the topics of the gaps. So, and all this is in chronicle order. So the best approach would be to start with the oldest video to get to the newest one, but that are almost now over 350 videos, so it will take some time. There should be another approach, and the other approach is, this is an approach when you don't know really nothing about trading, yes, and you have no clue about what is going on, yes, but if you have already some experience, you can go through the ebook, yes, get this ebook. Okay, you can also, first, before I can talk about the ebook, you can also get the playlist. In the playlist, I have tried to order all those kind of videos in some kind of category, yes. I tried to summarize them all together, and you see I have tried to get all the indicator stuff together, all the candlestick chart analysis together, all the live trading setup examples together, yes, and all other stuff here. Best candlestick patterns are almost all candlestick patterns, my real account trading videos, and also the price action videos, which are almost nearly a lot. Yet the most one are the price action, because this channel is mostly about price action. So, and here you can get one playlist for each other, yes, you get one playlist, and you get watch those one by one, yes, that things which are important to you, what you think you are missing. And before I would before you start, I would recommend to anybody, yes, before doing anything, to watch the Mindset for Consistent Profits series here, where I talked about things, so you were already aware about this one, what is expecting you, yes, because at the end, as if you are a newbie, you rookie, new to this stuff, yes, you don't know what is expecting you, and it would be nice if you would already know what kind of path is in front of you, that you can better understand what is coming towards you. Yes, that is what I'm trying to show you in my videos, that it's not only clicking higher and lower and to get profit out of the market. You have to study, practice, and much more. So the first approach would be to watch all my videos from the very oldest to the newest, yes, to the latest, and only a few a day, not all of one day, yes, because it's impossible. I have seen one of my subscribers has watched the last 4 months all my videos. He took 4 months, yes, to watch all my videos, but he got a nice result at the end. Yes, that is what's about. You have to get determination. You have to watch them, but you have also, don't forget, to practice. Yes, because screen time, yes, and practicing can, no video can how it's called, I don't know how it's said, but no video and no ebook can do this what screen time and practice can do to you. Yes, you have to practice, you have to understand the market movement by practicing, yes, on demo account. And that's the reason why I'm doing here this kind of stuff and telling you, watch my Mindset series stuff here, because there I'm telling you the steps how to get a pro, yes, how to get a really good trader when you because you have not to only get the skill, you have to cover also a lot of other factors. So, and so the approach would be, if you don't want to watch them all in order, in a chronicle order, you can watch here some playlists, yes, one by one, and depending on your knowledge and what you think, what would be interested to you. And the next approach, yes, that is what I would recommend also, is not only the best for me, in my opinion, yes, the best one is to watch all my videos in chronological order, because you will see that also I improved. Yes, I'm doing this now 6 months. Yes, and in six months I have traded a lot, and also I improved. Yes, you will see the evolution of myself. Yes, of myself, when I at the beginning was not so confident with my trades, and I was nearly also a newbie like you. Yes, and with all my videos I got more pro, yes, because I practice a lot. I have done those videos. I can recommend to anybody to do videos, yes, of their own trading, rewatching their own videos over and over again, yes, and you will see how you improve only by watching your own videos, yes, and doing videos. Also doing videos for others is a great improvement, because you are forced to do to create good behavior, yes, good behavior in front of others if you are demonstrating your trades to others, because so you are forced to focus more and so on. Yes, that is important also. This is some kind of evolution, and you will see this kind of evolution, and also my teaching skill, yes, how I teach on all this kind of 6 months. Yes, 6 months is a nice time. Yes, it's half a year, and you see that is what I'm telling about. You have to have determination. Yes, you have to be in behind this what you are doing. Yes, not only 1 week, not only 1 month. Yes, you have to do this all the time, and you have to stay behind this. You have to wake up every morning. One of my Facebook members has posted this motivational video. Yes, I'm watching it also. Yes, only because it's motivating somebody to do something. Yes, because we get lazy. It's easy to get lazy, and to motivate yourself. Yes, and you get also a lot of frustration, because often you will not succeed. You will often lose some trades. You will lose money. You will maybe blow your account. Yes, that all those kind of stuff. And so you need motivation, and it's nice if you have something what motivates you to go further, to continue. Yes, or is it a Facebook group members who are talking to you and making you some courage? Yes, it can be everything. So okay, that was this one. And the second approach would be about the playlist, but I would not recommend the playlist, because the playlists are changing all the time. Yes, because I'm adding here some videos, I'm adding here there some videos, and so it's not so easy to follow my videos. So the best approach, in my opinion, would be starting from the latest from the oldest to the latest. Yes, and the second approach is this one. You get the ebook. Yes, you can find the link to this to the ebook in the description. And this ebook has also a chronicle order, or a good order, yes, where how to go through all stuff. So we have at the begin the preface, blah blah blah. Yes, then you get the stuff about the mindset series. So you start immediately knowing what would be the approach to get a pro, yes, to a good trader, a professional trader, and then you see the step by step. You get the stuff here done by this kind of mindset stuff, yes. So, and after this mindset stuff, you can get. After you have watched those videos, you can get to the candlestick pattern, and then you can try to master one by one. Yes, one candlestick pattern after the another. If you are not experienced to candlestick patterns, this will be really a great approach, a really obstacle, yes, a great obstacle. It's difficult to get above this obstacle, because it looks like you are learning a different language. Yes, it's like you would learning Chinese or Japanese or whatever. Yes, or Italian or German or whatever. Yes, the thing is that are looking so different to you. You don't understand. You cannot distinguish them. But the start of price action is almost this one, that you understand the candlestick pattern, to name the candlestick pattern, yes, and to recognize those candlestick pattern. And that is why I'm telling you, watch my the videos from the beginning, because at the beginning I was showing you only how they look like. yes, because they don't look like this what I have drawn here. Yes, every candlestick is individual. It's depending on the buyers and sellers which are into this trade in the market, and every day, every minute, every second, yes, there are different traders into the market, and that means every candlestick is unique. Yes, there is never the same candlestick pattern. The only thing which can be told is that some candlestick pattern had some psychology behind, and this psychology behind is that this is what gets out on the next candle, or probably next two candles. Yes, it's not almost the next candle, it's a short-term prediction. Yes, the candlestick pattern. So to stay on the topic, we have here after we have talked about the mindset, and that is important. If you have the mindset stuff already as beginner into it, yes, into it, you already know what is the way, what is the path, yes, to get to this goal, what you want to reach, yes, to be a good trader. So then we get the candlestick pattern, and you see then all the candlestick patterns. So you can watch a day video, yes, you watch a day a video, and you then after this you try to apply this to your practice account, yes, to practice them all over, yes, till you have you can recognize them and you can trade them. Yes, that is important, and you understand how they behave. Yes, that's also more important, because looking at this candlestick here, for example, it looks nice, yes, but how the candlestick behaves, how the candlestick is moving, how this kind of candlestick is creating, where the wick is coming from, yes, where the real body is coming from, yes, and what all this kind of stuff is meaning here, this uptrend, yes, and this kind of support and resistance area. You see that where the first one, where I didn't mention here some kind of support and resistance area, you can see how old these are. That was maybe really at the beginning. So let me copy here fast this one here, so I can put them here also to this. So so I can say get this kind of ebook, watch this kind of videos in the order, yes, in the order how they are in the ebook. So we have then the candlestick pattern. After you have mastered all the candlestick patterns, yes, first the single bar candlestick pattern, then the second the 2-bar candlestick pattern, and then the 3-bar candlestick pattern, yes, then there came up the multi-bar candlestick pattern, which are those one chart patterns, yes, something like double top, double bottom, yes, and or the pullbacks, yes, the last kiss, and those things, yes, these are already for the experienced one. Yes, that if you start with as a beginner with this one, you are overwhelmed. Yes, that means you have to cover those things really step by step. I have done this in the chronological order, yes, but in the ebook it's also chronological. Yes, you will not face a pullback at the beginning. Yes, at the beginning you have to study those kind of candlestick patterns, and those one are almost the most important one. Yes, but I have to add some more in the future, but if you know them already, it would be good. So after this you get here those things which I added lately, yes, when they started to do the gaps, for example. But if you have covered those kind of stuff, there is the next approach, and the next approach is the chart patterns, and there I have covered also almost those which are important, yes, from the trend channel over the triangles, the flags, and so on, yes, the wedges, and the broadening top and broadening bottom, yes, and all those kind of rectangles, yes, all those kind of stuff. And after this, I discussed here some kind of topics and concepts which are really important. After you have understood all kind of candlestick patterns, yes, all kind of chart patterns, the next step is or are the concepts. The concepts are those one we like candlestick math, yes, candlestick mathematics, the thing about the 4 keys, yes, the trend, the key level, the candlestick pattern, and the rejection. This video is in particular about the rejection, because you see how this candlestick reject from this support and resistance area here, because it's an area, it's not a line, yes. and then the market condition, and so on and so on. And so if you cover all those kind of concepts which I have discussed here, we are getting at the end, and then you have already a good basis, yes, a good fundament of learning, because you see there are almost so many concepts which I have explained here, all about market pressure, about retracement and reverse sales, where I have explained that a same looking candlestick can be interpreted in some different ways. Yes, sometimes it's a reversal, sometimes it's a retracement, only depending how the candlesticks in lower time frame are moving here, for example the 15-second time frame. So, and then this kind of indicators, where I covered also those things about the indicators. The important thing is I have not done a lot of deep explanation videos about the indicator, because I'm not a friend of indicator. I use only those indicators which are, in my opinion, the most important ones, and that are the Bollinger Bands and the EMAs. The other ones, the oscillators, RSI, stochastic, and can be used also, yes, but I think they are not so necessary, and that's the reason why I didn't cover them. I have done some videos about them. If you want to watch them, look in the playlist about best indicators. There are explained all those ones. Which I think which would be important to name. So, and then I got here some kind of trading setups, yes, because I got a question about which kind of trading setup I can trade without rejection. I can recommend to anybody not to do trading setups without rejection, yes, but if you want to do this because you are lazy to wait for a rejection or something else, or you are such kind of trader who risks further, you can do this. And then I have done a lot of trading setups here, which I have shown you also in the live trading example videos how they work. So then another few concepts about multiple time frame concept, yes, trading concept, where I have explained how you can view those kind of candlesticks in a higher time frame, and splitting it down to a lower time frame, and then you see this kind of thing here with the thrust, and then impulse waves, yes, then this kind of stuff here about the Elliott waves, where I have explained a little bit the Elliott waves, which to show you how they can be applied. There's also a video live trading example of this, and then obviously the most important one here, where newbies and starting traders are failing a lot, is about the market condition, yes, which kind of market condition to avoid, which kind of market you can trade, at what kind of hours, which kind of time, yes, and then obviously how to read the EMA and the Bollinger Bands. That is and if you get through this kind of ebook, step by step, page by page, yes, on daily basis, and doing this kind of stuff, applying to your trading. And I saw already a lot of traders who are following all my videos. They are commenting every kind of my video, yes. There are some who got already mods in the Facebook group only by watching over and over again my videos, and I didn't make them mod, yes, because I don't care about my Facebook group, to be honest. I'm happy that there is a Facebook group, but I have no time to care about this. Yes, this is the stuff of my admin, and he made those guys mods because he understood from those guys, yes, who or girls, yes, who studied my stuff on the YouTube channel and watched all the videos, yes, they improved a lot, yes, and that is what makes me proud of my work, yes, that makes me proud, and that is what I'm doing those kind of videos over and over again every day, yes, to provide you those kind of information, because it makes me proud seeing people succeeding, yes, in this kind of market, yes, and succeeding in this kind of profession, yes, it's some kind of profession. So, and at the end we get here the sure shots, yes, the BOTT sure shots, which are really reliable trading setups, yes, which I have tried to explain also, which are only something like an appendix, yes, because for this to understand you need all those kinds of stuff before. So that are the three approaches which you can get to get through all my videos, yes, and to get a good trader, or you watch all the videos in chronological order, descending order, yes, it means from the oldest to the newest, which I prefer and would say that is the best approach. Then the second approach would be the approach through the playlist, which is for those one who already know what they are doing, yes, and they want only specific ones, or those one, yes, or the last approach is the ebook approach. That is also a nice approach because there you have already the theoretical stuff, but you will miss the live trading videos, which are as important as the theoretical stuff, because the live trading videos there I could put in much more practical use stuff, yes, where and I can tell you every kind of my videos has some information into it. I cannot say this video is better than this video, yes, it's almost every video of my videos has some information, some knowledge into it, because that makes also clear how wide this area is, yes, how much knowledge is behind trading. It's not only putting two indicators on the chart and putting the buttons up and down, yes, and it's also so that everyone tries to get some shortcut, yes, the easy way, yes, but I can tell you there is no shortcut. You have to pass those steps which I have explained in the Mindset for Consistent Profits playlist here, and you have to lose money, yes, a few times to gain someday money, yes. That is part of the business, yes, and you cannot and that is what's about. And you have to suffer, yes, to get that what you deserve. So I would say that was a clear statement to this. I hope that new traders will understand that they have to go through this. I have done this video mostly for those who are asking always in the Facebook group where to start, yes, because they are overwhelmed by the name, by the number of the videos. But I can say only try to start from the beginning, and don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to my featured channels here of my Facebook group stuff. Yes, I have also here my two other channels which where I will publish some of my Forex trades and explanation videos about Forex, and also about the digital options. Yes, this is the digital options channel. Some have found already this these channels. I don't know how they have done this, yes, but they found them and they subscribed already. I didn't want it because there is at the moment not so much. There's nothing, to be honest, but I will try to do this. This is a sign for you that I'm working at it. Yes, it means I try to get all my time together to provide you every kind of information, and it's almost a little bit work intensive. So I think that would be enough. Yes, I have explained for the new traders how they got through all my videos. So my Facebook group stuff don't need to explain this all over and over again. And so I would say, in this sense, stay safe and bye bye.